Let's have a go at changing the text on this design which already has text on it. So we've got Happy Easter, which I don't want that. I want to have something else. I'm going to put Easter 25 for Easter 2025. So let me just write our text first, find the font, and E for Easter. That's too big to go into that slot, so let's make that slightly smaller. Lowercase EASTER. And let's put 25 in there. So this is a straight line word at the moment. So we need to change the angle of it so it can fit. So it's just a straight line, and all those characters are one file. So an E is one, an A is one, an S is one, etc. They will combine when they're embroidery. So we go to array. Now array means how we want to shape. So this one we're doing an angled array. And let's bring it up and fit it into that area. Let's take a bigger look at that. That looks good. Turn it into embroidery. Now, I moved the frame accidentally, so it needs to go back to 0, 0. So pushing my mid spot will be 0, 0. Or I could redo it again, but I can see I'm 24 and 20 out. So here we are, 0, 0. So that we're in the middle of our hoop. And what we want to do is we've already embroidered up to where we want our lettering, so we're ready to put our lettering in, or our wording in. We need to skip past, or jog past all my steps. So you can see how they're coming up. Every machine works slightly different, but generally this is how it happens. There's Hoppy. There's Easter. We don't want those, so we just go past those, and here is our text, Easter 25. It's showing as one element when we come to embroider it, but technically it is 9 elements or 8 elements. Every letter is a separate piece, but your machine sees it as one colour. Okay, Easter 2025 instead of Happy Easter. But you see, we've got some flowers there now, so we want to either put them in or we leave them out, whichever. So it says we're finished, so let's go back a few steps and find those flowers. See each of those elements. There we go. So we've got Daylily and Sunburst are our flowers, so let's just go ahead and put our flowers in to complete our design. We could have jumped across and done those and then put our wording in last. Just 6 of one, half dozen the other. So those little flowers just make this design in the ends of the ribbons. There we go. Easter 2025, very simple. It's not fluid and serpentine like the original, but it's very close.